Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping Netflix from autoplaying trailers and previews on the browse page. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the browse page of Netflix, tap on your profile icon from the top right and then select Account from the drop-down menu. On your account page, scroll down to Profile and Parental Controls, and then expand the settings for the user profile which you want to affect. Go down to Playback Settings and select Change. Deselect the checkbox called Autoplay Previews whilst browsing on all devices. Click Save once you're done. If you go back to the browse page now, no trailers or previews will play whilst you are browsing for something to watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Netflix tips and tricks.